Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily install WhatsApp for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. And the first thing that you want to do is to have enabled Wi-Fi. So when I go and I'm going to swipe down, I can go here and find that my Wi-Fi is on. That's the first thing. The second thing is that you want to have enabled and connected your Google account to your smartwatch. So when I go to settings and you're gonna scroll down below to Google, here you're going to find accounts, and there you can connect your account, or the account that you have connected you will find right there. Now when we go further, and I'm going to swipe up, here we can find Google Play. So I'm going to press Google Play. Here I'm going to write search for apps, and I'm going to write here WhatsApp. Okay, let's search for it. Here we can find it and install. And now it's going to download for us. And now we just have to wait until it's going to get downloaded. And then I'm going to show you how you can use it. So in the moment when you're going to have downloaded, you will find right here that you can open it. So let's open it together. And let's wait until it's going to get loaded. And then look at this. Are you trying to link a device that I got on my phone? Yes, I want to. And now I just have to write what I see here. And now it's going to load our chat. It's going to do all the things. You can allow notifications, and look at this. Here I got all my chats on the WhatsApp. And I can scroll down below to messages, and I can write a message. Look at this. And now it's sent. So that's pretty much it, how we can use WhatsApp for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.